Bay windows are a stunning architectural feature that adds elegance, natural light, and spaciousness to any home. However, they can also be a source of energy inefficiency if not properly maintained or upgraded. Glendale's hot summers and mild winters make energy efficiency particularly important for homeowners looking to reduce energy bills and maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Here are some practical tips to improve the energy efficiency of your bay windows in Glendale. Upgrade to energy-efficient glass. Older bay windows often use single-pane glass, which offers minimal insulation. Upgrading to energy-efficient glass can dramatically improve insulation and reduce heat transfer. Low-E glass. Low emissivity, low-E glass features a thin coating that reflects heat and UV rays. This keeps your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double or triple glazing. Multi-pane windows with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, between the panes enhance thermal performance. These upgrades help maintain a stable indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Install weather stripping and caulking. Gaps and cracks around bay windows can allow air to escape, leading to higher energy bills. Sealing these gaps with weather stripping or caulking is a cost-effective way to improve energy efficiency. Weather stripping. Apply weather stripping to the edges of the movable sections of your bay window to block drafts. Caulking. Use silicone-based caulk to seal any gaps between the window frame and the wall. This is particularly effective for older homes in Glendale, where settling can create small gaps over time. Use window treatments. The intense sunlight in Glendale can heat up your home through your bay windows. Proper window treatments can help control this heat gain. Thermal curtains. These heavy, insulated curtains reduce heat transfer and help maintain indoor temperatures. Solar shades. Designed to block UV rays while still allowing light in, solar shades are ideal for maintaining a bright yet cool interior. Window films. Reflective or tinted films can be applied directly to the glass to reduce glare and heat gain. Add insulated window inserts. Insulated window inserts are an excellent option for homeowners who want to improve energy efficiency without replacing their existing windows. These inserts fit snugly inside the window frame and act as an additional barrier against heat transfer. Easy installation. Inserts are typically removable, making them ideal for seasonal use. Cost-effective. They provide a noticeable improvement in energy efficiency at a fraction of the cost of window replacement. Maintain proper ventilation. Bay windows often feature operable sections, such as casement or double-hung windows. Ensuring these windows are functioning properly helps maintain energy efficiency. Clean and lubricate hardware. Regular maintenance of hinges and locks ensures a tight seal when windows are closed. Check for alignment. Misaligned windows can create gaps that let air escape. Adjust or repair as needed. Shade the exterior. Adding exterior shading solutions can protect your bay windows from direct sunlight, reducing heat gain during Glendale's hot summers. Awnings. Retractable awnings provide shade when needed and can be retracted to let in light during cooler months. Exterior shutters. Functional shutters add a layer of insulation and block sunlight. Landscaping. Planting trees or shrubs strategically around your bay windows can provide natural shade and enhance curb appeal. Consider window replacement. If your bay windows are old or in poor condition, replacing them with modern, energy-efficient models may be the best solution. Look for windows certified by Energy Star to ensure high performance. Vinyl frames. Vinyl is a cost-effective, durable, and energy-efficient material that resists warping in Glendale's heat. Composite frames. These frames combine materials like wood and resin for excellent insulation and durability. Monitor and optimize HVAC usage. Even with energy-efficient bay windows, your HVAC system plays a critical role in maintaining comfort. Use programmable thermostats and regularly service your HVAC system to ensure it's running efficiently. Conclusion. Improving the energy efficiency of your bay windows is a worthwhile investment that pays off in reduced energy bills, increased comfort, and enhanced home value. By upgrading glass, sealing gaps, adding window treatments, and considering external shading, Glendale homeowners can optimize the performance of their bay windows. If your bay windows need significant upgrades, consult a local professional familiar with Glendale's unique climate for expert advice and installation services. With the right solutions, your bay windows can remain a stunning and energy-efficient feature of your home for years to come.